All right, back into it after the cruise. Don't exercise on cruise ships. After the cruise, and then was cooked for a week after that. I'm getting back into my health journey, but taking it easy. Just making hard to get motivation to get up and go for my morning walks, my hour walks. And I'm not 100%, I'm still a little bit crook after, I don't know what it was, chest infection, head cold, man flu probably. It's the worst. Yeah, so back into it now. They had to be enticed out a little bit, but they're loving it. What do you think, Thelma?